Hey, good morning, everybody. It's been a minute since our last video. I apologize for that. We've just been so busy. Half the time I forget to bring the camera. But at any rate, here we are today at Sun City Center in Florida. We have two projects today for the same owner. One is a house that he just moved into, and the other one's a house that he's currently moving out of. So we have some work at both of them. At this one, we're doing the driveway and sidewalk. I'll walk through and show it to you. Sidewalk's kind of got some algae growth on there. The driveway is paver driveway. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's some battery acid stains here and up and through here also. So we got to work on those and try to get those out. And then over here we got the walkway going up to the front door. Just flat work here at this one. Got some more rust here, but that's a little bit different. That's actual rust. That's not a battery stain. So, at any rate, that's our project at this one. So we better get moving.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Alright guys, so here we are at the second job. It's just a lanai and patio area. Let me show you what we got here. We got a little bit of pavers out here. Paver deck. And all this up along there. I don't know if you can see it or not, a lot of green algae. No big deal. And then some more up there. The screens actually aren't too bad, but we're still going to do them anyway. And then down along the patio here, kind of where it drains off. But yeah, you can see all along the top up there, along there. Anyway, that's where we are for right now. I'll show you the outside of this also. Along the outside edge, there's a lot of lichen there starting. And back over this side. Alright, so let's get after it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation.
Alright, so we're all done here. Let's walk around. Yep. Pavers all came up really nice. All the mold's gone from up there. The lichen, remember that was all covered with lichen up there. That's all gone. Yep. It's very nice now. Okay. Let's look at the outside real quick. Yep. Well, that's gone off the back of the cage. Screen's all looking good. All right. Well, that's that job. So we'll stop back and look at the pavers. And I got to measure it too. We're going to do a sealing on the his other driveway. So, all right. See you at the next one.